Northwest Spine and Pain Medicine is excited to partner with Center for Regenerative Medicine to offer our patients the latest in regenerative medicine technology. Although regenerative medicine is not covered by insurance, it remains an excellent option for those who wish to pursue an alternative approach to their healthcare, or for those patients who have failed more traditional options and want to avoid surgery. Regenerative medicine uses your body's own healing cells to help improve the health of damaged or injured tissue. This is probably the most holistic approach because there's nothing more natural than your body healing itself. The results of regenerative medicine procedures are often superior to traditional interventions, with significant improvement in both pain and function of the joints and spinal regions treated. For more information on results, go to our webpage at NWC4RM.com.
They ended up giving me some pretty major pain shots. It wasn't making my back better. I needed a regeneration. I don't even think about getting out of bed in the mornings now. I just get up and I go. I'm limber, I'm loving life.
Yeah, I was in major pain, but thankfully I knew Dr. Lewis, so I called him up, got a second opinion, and he was like, I think we can help you recover so that you can get back to the activities that you love. And I was so happy to hear that I didn't have to go through this invasive procedure.
All regenerative medicine procedures involve a blood draw where platelets are isolated and highly concentrated into platelet-rich plasma. For some protocols, bone marrow, which is rich in mesenchymal stem cells, is also used. Cells are concentrated in our laboratory where cell counts and viability is determined, and then injected using imaging guidance into areas of tissue damage. For more information about regenerative medicine and/or other treatment options, talk to your provider.